TIBCO WebFOCUS provides an intuitive search functionality that allows you to quickly access content across the repository. The search text bar can be found in the Home, Workspaces, and Portals areas of the Start page. To run a simple search query, start typing a keyword inside the text bar. Notice that the drop-down list immediately offers suggestions based on the characters you entered. When you type within the search field, an X icon displays next to the Search Options drop-down arrow. You can click it at any time to clear your input. You can also select a specific workspace to narrow your search area. If the item you're looking for is in the search results, click it to display it in the viewer. You can also see all search results in a list view. To do that, type the keyword and press Enter, or click View All on the bottom of the drop-down list. In this list view, you can switch to the tile view by clicking the Switch to Tile View icon in the upper right corner of the screen, customize the number of columns displayed in the list view, run items from the search view, right-click the items that appear in the search results view to access a shortcut menu. To exit the search results list, click the back arrow next to the search results heading. Now let's see how to use the advanced search options. Click the advanced search icon in the text bar. Another way to launch the advanced search dialog is to click the advanced search link at the bottom of the search results drop-down list. In the advanced search dialog box, notice that the All Workspaces checkbox is selected by default. You can narrow your search area by selecting one or more specific workspaces. Now let's select a search category. You have a choice of 3 categories: title, summary, and tags. Type the keyword for your category results. Optionally, select and populate another category. Click Add Condition and repeat the process. Choose between and or Boolean operators. Select the AND operator if you want your search results to match all filtering conditions. Alternatively, use the OR operator to return search results that match any of the specified conditions. If you choose not to include a second category, remove it from the list by clicking the Delete icon. Once you are happy with your selected criteria, click Search. Your results will display in the list view. To learn more, search for TIBCO WebFOCUS at docs.tibco.com.